Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today on a good, cold, and snowy day. Got a job here in between jobs. Sometimes that's the way things work out. We're going to redo this whole trailer here. Put new deck on it, new sides on it. Going to get rid of this old toolbox here. Gain 18 inches on the front. Gain 9 inches on each side. For a homemade trailer, whoever done this done a really good job. It's in really good shape. Gonna rewire it, put all new lights on it for them. Just thought I'd do a walk around of it before. Got something really good here to work with. It'll turn out nice. So y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you around. And thank you very much.